Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can freeze your location on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. And let's get into this topic. And I'll tell you right away that there are several methods to freeze or pause the tracking of your location on your iPhone. The first method is to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, and that will take you to the Control Center. And in the Control Center, you'll need to select Flight Mode. And to do that, tap on this airplane sign here. So you'll disable your location. But unfortunately, in this mode, you will not be able to use your mobile data or Wi-Fi, and you will not be able to use any messengers, YouTube, and so on. But you will freeze your location. And also, the second method how you can do this. To do this, you will need to go to the phone settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down a little bit and select Privacy and Security. Here you will see Location Detection at the top. Click on it. Next is Track My Location. And if you have down here, let's say you have family access, meaning you have some family member that you share your location with, then you'll be able to show if you turn off sharing my location. You'll also stop sharing your location with all the family members that you have here and Find My. These are the two ways you can disable your location on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful for you. Please be sure to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.